Good morning, my dear children. I hope you are all safe and sound. My dear children, so far we discussed about what? That is DBMS and its features, MySQL, the new software for collecting and maintaining the data. Today, we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is Introduction to Emerging Trends. Within that, the first topic I would like to discuss is artificial intelligence. That is a common term nowadays that we are all heard about artificial intelligence. Now we are going to study about its definition. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine or a computer system to copy human intelligent process, learn experiences and adapt to new information, perform human-like activities. Using these technologies, computers can be trained to accomplish specific tasks by processing large amount of data and recognizing the pattern in the data. The artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Some common examples of artificial intelligence: spam filters, voice to text features, smart personal assistants such as Siri and Google Now, automated responders and online customer support. Now I would like to introduce about the new term, that is machine language or machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides system that ability to automatically learn and improve from experiences without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access the data and use it learn for themselves. The process of learning begins with the observation of data, such as examples, direct experiences or instructions, in order to look for patterns in the data and make better decisions in the future based on the examples that we provide. The primary aim is to allow the computers learn automatically without human intervention or assistance and adjust actions accordingly. Dear children, look at the figure I had given, traditional programming and machine learning. In traditional programming, an algorithm that learns from the data, identifies the pattern in the data and store the learning in the form of model. Then that model is apply that model to predict on new data. Machine learning, the ability to quickly change, refresh and enhance the model with changing data set and newer data sets. In traditional programming, here we are giving data and program to the computer. The computer is responsible for providing output. But in machine language or in machine learning, the data and output is given to the computer. The computer generates program. That is the only difference between traditional programming and machine learning. Machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model based on a sample data, that is known as training data, in order to make predictions and decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. My dear children, in Python is a program, isn't it? Programming language. Within that, we had studied decision-making statements. But that statements are given by the programmer only. According to the program, the system gives the output. But in machine learning, the user only gives the output, whereas the system is responsible for generating the programs. The next one is natural language processing. Is a technology used to aid computers to understand the human natural language. It's not an easy task teaching machines to understand how we communicate. Now you can say, Alexa, play this song to a device, and the device start playing that music. The interaction was made possible by natural language processing, along with the other AI elements such as machine learning and deep learning. The natural language processing makes it possible for computers to read the text, hear a speech, interpret it, measure sentiments, and determine which part are important. Natural language processing is a driving force behind the following applications. Language translation applications such as Google Translate, word processor such as Microsoft Word and Grammatically that employ natural language processing to check grammatical accuracy of the text, interactive voice response IVR application used in call centers to respond to certain users' requests, personal assistant applications such as OK Google, Siri and Alexa. The next we are going to discuss about the immersive experience with the AR and VR. An immersive experience is a perception of being in one place when you are actually in another. It is essentially the suspension of reality, even if just for a few moments. People always want the most immersive experience possible, especially when it comes to an entertainment. Augmented reality. Nowadays, that term is very frequently popular. Adds digital elements to live view often by using the camera on a smartphone. Examples of augmented reality experiences include Snapchat lenses and the game Pokemon Go. In other words, if you see a real world supplement with the digital objects, that's AR. Imagine you want to buy a piece of furniture, a chair, for example. Augmented reality technology can help you to check how different chair will look in your room and pick the one that fits best. My dear children, I'm winding up the first module. In the second module, the further detailing will be given. Thank you.